let's go make a new class called item Blockium crossbow. Make sure to set it with item again because it's just easier to find on your list. Okay, so we have item. Now every item class needs to extend item itself. Item, the class item. This one right here. And okay, so we have that down. Now, wait, let me actually... Okay. Oops. Oh yeah, what did I just do? We're going to need some kind of a constructor. So let's do item Blockium crossbow. Int x, because it takes I don't know what value, actually. I think it's the ID. Oh, wait, I got to get a phone call. Alright, sorry for that, guys. I had a phone call real quick. So let's get back to our class. What we want to do is pass that I think it's the ID up to the super class, which is item. And then also what you want to declare is the max stack size equals 1. Since it's a crossbow and it's going to be a weapon, we're gonna only need 1, so you can't stack weapons, which is that'd be kind of stupid. So this is, I mean, we're pretty much done. We could run this. Did I spell this right? Okay. We want to change that to crossbow because I didn't call it expo. I called it crossbow up there. So let's save that. Okay, there's no errors, which is good. But before we test it out, actually, let me go over here and yeah, okay. So we have our constructor here, which is for the crossbow. Now let's look into item Java. Now if you scroll down on like I showed you before, where you see all the methods and declarations. If you scroll down past all these like declarations of items, you'll see a bunch of methods like this, like set icon, set max stack size, says icon coordinate, set icon from damage, get icon from damage, you know, all that kind of stuff. Now these are all the attributes that you can give to your item. Let's say let's see item sword, I think it's called. Yeah, let's go see item sword. Now you see right here in item sword there's more attributes in its constructor. Like weapon damage, it sets a weapon damage, sets max damage, okay, it doesn't matter. That pretty much sets its durability. This sets its material, what it's made out of. Okay, but like right here, we can see that get strength versus block. For example, a sword can destroy webs really easy, so it gave it a method. Hit entity, on block destroyed. What else does it have? Get damage versus entity, return weapon damage. So we set certain weapon damage up here, and when you attack an entity, it returns that. So, I mean, you can play around with this, but you can find all these methods inside of item.java, and you can set attributes to your custom item. Now, if you want in the food, there's methods for healing. If you want it to be a weapon, there's methods for damage. There's methods for whatever, all kinds of stuff like enchantments. And yeah, I mean, I'm not really going to get into all that customization right now. You can play around with it. That's I think that's the basics of this. So yeah, let's go test this out now. We have that. Okay, let's go recompile, and I'll be right back once this thing recompiles. Okay, so it recompiled already, and once again, just a reminder that we need 2 Blockium blocks horizontal right next to each other to make one of our Blockium crossbows. Now, since this recompiled, let's go back to our MCP folder, and you want to start a client. Alright, so we have a client. What happened? Expo.png. Didn't find it. What? Let's look in here. mxbow.png. That's weird. Let me... Oh, okay. Do not forget the little slash right there, because yeah, that's kind of important. So let me actually recompile again, and yeah, I'll be right back again in a second. Alright, so recompiled again, and let's go start the server. The client. Hopefully it'll work this time. Yep, sweet. Let's go create a single player world real quick. I'm going to need to get a wooden pickaxe real quick just to mine some of those blockium ores. It won't just let me punch them. And I did modify the blockium class a bit so it's the blocks spawn on the surface. We should see some. Let me actually change sensitivity. I hate low sensitivity. Here it is. Silly blockium. Alright. Now I don't think you guys seen my crossbow design, but it's absolutely terrible. I made it in like less than a minute. Just trying to design something real quick. Let's make a pickaxe. Mine some blockium. We got 2 blocks. Now you don't need for 2 blockium crossbow. What is this? That's not it. I didn't make that. What is this? I think let's go to 500. Okay. Is there a quiver? It's 500? The ID is 500? I don't think so. Let's... God, this is so stupid. Like, there's so many hidden items that the ID is just... Okay, because this is definitely not mine. But I think that's what happened, is that 500 is actually the ID of this quiver. That's really weird. Alright, you know what? I'll be right back. I'll fix it. I'll cut this out, and hopefully I'll get it working. I'll try to set the ID to like 2000. Alright, so it just recompiled again, and I kept, let's see, 600. I think it was 600 before. I found out that was actually not the problem. The problem was that I've had another item, the item that I used for an example, that's like my notes, and that was actually overridden to be, where's the start client, to be my crossbow. So since that picture was already taken, my Minecraft didn't want to take it again. So I had to change my other class, my example class, to another picture, so we can get this sweet example item. That's not what I wanted to do. Completely messed this up, but whatever. Yeah, here it is, our little blockium crossbow. It's called example item because that's what I was using for my other class. But if you don't create more than one class with the same exact picture overridden, it shouldn't happen to you. If it does somehow, you can post your question in the comments or your concerns, whatever. So yeah, we have our item here. It doesn't shoot any arrows. It doesn't do anything yet because I have not set any attributes. And I might do that in the future. I don't know. Might do more on food and weapons and custom range weapons and maybe some grenades or stuff like that. Yeah, maybe. So yeah, make sure to like the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos, and make sure to keep watching for more Minecraft modding tutorials. Thanks for watching. See ya.